Are you a late night snacker? Is your work not letting you to sleep early? Or perhaps you are a student preparing for an upcoming examination? Or the soccer World Cup is keeping you up late at nights? Well, whatever your reasons are, late night snacks should be chosen very carefully, else it can sabotage your weight loss effort and instantly put you off the fitness track. So what are the healthiest snacks to munch on late at night? Let us find out. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. For this video, I have identified the foods most commonly eaten by us late at night and have ranked them from worst to best. After taking into consideration various factors like how fast they get digested in the body, their nutritional value, etc., I have categorized them into two categories, the worst and the best. Category number 1 includes the foods which we have been used to eating late at nights. It includes biscuits, namkeen, kurkure, lays, Maggi, chocolates and whatever else catches the eye. If you are even slightly serious about your fitness goals, these are the food items you should not even touch late in the night. Most of these are simple form of carbohydrates deep fried in oil. At night our body is not physically active and most of these carbohydrates remain unutilized and are ultimately stored in the form of fat. Where Lays, kurkure and other namkeen items are extremely high in sodium, on the other hand biscuits, chocolates and sweets are mostly sugar and maida. These food items are anyway unhealthy, but consuming them late at night may prove disastrous for you. Eating any of these late in the night will make you put on extra weight, feel bloated and you will end up repenting in the morning. So are there any guilt-free options to snack on late at night? Yes, category number 2 includes the best late night snack options. Starting with one of my favorites, which is homemade popcorn. Take 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels and put them in a cooker. Cover the cooker with a lid or a plate. Let the flame be on the lowest. The corn will start popping in no time. One big bowl of homemade popcorn has only 70 calories. It is tasty and filling at the same time. Avoid making Act 2 popcorn, which is 5 times higher in calories, loaded with saturated fats and sodium. Phul makhane or lotus seeds is another low calorie, low glycemic, light and crunchy snack option ideal for late night munching. One big bowl of dry roasted phul makhane has only 90 calories, 18 grams of carbohydrates and 3 grams of protein. One more option which is widely consumed in the Indian subcontinent is puffed rice. 1 cup of puffed rice has only 56 calories. Since it is so low in calories, one can eat a small bowl of puffed rice at night and still stay strong on the weight loss journey. One handful of unsalted dry roasted peanuts are another crunchy and healthy snack option to be consumed at night. Taking my attention away from the crunchy snacks is another delicious and healthy late night snack option, chocolate milk. In 1 glass of toned milk, hot or cold, add a teaspoon of natural unsweetened cocoa powder. You may sweeten the milk using a teaspoon of honey. A complete meal in itself, an excellent source of slow digesting casein protein, milk is ideal before bed. You can even have 1 bar of homemade dark chocolate with 1 glass of milk as a healthy late night snack option. Another milk based option is oatmeal. 1/4 cup of rolled oats in 1 glass of hot milk will not only fill up your tummy but is also among healthier late night snack options. This snack option will provide you about 160 calories. The final late night snack option that I have for you is peanut butter roti. Apply 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter over a medium sized whole wheat chapati. Roll it and have it. Quick and healthy, this filling snack option is under 180 calories. Make sure that you use a natural peanut butter. One good option that I highly recommend is Alpino's peanut butter. Alpino's peanut butter is truly a butter for better health as it is devoid of added sugar, hydrogenated oils or any other unwanted additives. The ingredient list speaks for itself. 100% roasted peanuts. 1 serving of Alpino's peanut butter will give you 10 grams of protein, 15 grams of healthy fats and 7 grams of carbohydrates. Peanut butter by Alpino comes in both variants, creamy as well as crunchy. You can apply it on whole wheat chapati, blend it into smoothies, stir into oatmeal and more. Alpino's peanut butter is a healthy and a delicious way to fulfill your late night food cravings. You can use this peanut butter without refrigeration for over 9 months. Buy Alpino's peanut butter by clicking on the link down in the description box. So I hope this video helped you identify low calorie, healthy, crunchy, light and filling options for late night snacking. Although late night snacking isn't highly recommended, but if your work demands so or you are actually feeling very hungry, these snacks should be your go-to options. Much better than the usual unhealthy snacks which we mindlessly munch on. It is also recommended that you drink a glass of water and wait for 15 to 20 minutes to check whether you are really hungry or just dehydrated. So friends, that's all for this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If yes, then please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Which snack option did you like the most? Let me know in the comment section. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.